Okay, this is the example in the way that can be expressed as the action of about to happen or will happen. All right, it's the imperative of the mo. Okay, imperative of that mo. So it expresses already that actor focus imperative, and you should already know what that does. Okay, anyway, dumadala ko ang payong kaso lang kung muulan unya ha. Tungod kay wapata sigurado kung gumagawas ta na dayon o dili pa. Ug murag mo ulan di ay kay nakita na kog mga taligsik sa dalan gawas sa bintana. Oo, nagtaligsik na. Lumalabay ko ang basura sa gawas sa atubangan sa kanto. Inig ulan ang nag-abot kanako. So this is just a little short paragraph that I that I wrote out of nowhere, just randomly out of my head. So it's between two speakers, and let me read it again. Speaker 1 says, "Dumadala ko ang payong, kaso lang kung muulan unya ha. Tungod kay wapata sigurado kung gumagawas ta na dayon o dili pa ug murag muulan di ay kay nakita na kog mga taligsik sa dalan gawas sa bintana." Speaker 2 now says, "Oo, nagtaligsik na. Lumalabay ko ang basura sa gawas sa atubangan sa kanto. Inig ulang ang nag-abot kanako." So they're just talking about the situation when they're gonna go out or not or what, because it's starting to rain and the situation is just full of uncertainty, right? And again, dumadala is our verb here, so concentrate on the ones that have the infix, right? It's been partially reduplicated and infixated. Dumadala. Okay, dumadala actually. Dumadala, sorry. Dumadala is the first one. Gumagawas is the second, and lumalabay is the third. Lumalabay, gumagawas, dumadala. So, about to bring, about to leave, or about to exit, and about to throw away. Labay, like as in labay ko ang basura, like I will throw the garbage away. Lumalabay ko ang basura, I'm about to throw the garbage away. Okay, so those are just key concepts I'm just gonna briefly touch up on with this. Okay.